Video. In this video, we'll show you the end-to-end tutorial on how to view Salesforce data in Excel using just a Salesforce button. So, very exciting video because we've done this in Word and now it's Excel time. First thing you need to do is install your add-in through the store. Go to store, type in Form Titan, and then just simply click Add. Once you've done that, it will appear under your add-ins like this, and you just need to click it. Once you've clicked it and it's loaded, it will appear under your home tab like this. Then you just need to do is log in really. Log in just like you would log into your normal form builder. And it's really that straightforward. So once you're in, like that, put the password in and go ahead and log in. Right, you're pretty much good to go. What am I going to do in this demo is I'm just going to bring back opportunity name, stage, and opportunity line items. Very simple. So this is my opportunity here, and these are my line items, and I'm just going to bring them in that Excel document. So first thing we'll do is we'll do opportunity name, we'll do opportunity stage, and we'll make this a bit wider, and then I'm going to go ahead and insert my field. So my first object is opportunity. I'll give it a comment parent object. Choose my field, which is going to be name, and then my next one is going to be stage. And then I'll just go ahead and insert them. Alright, so there are my fields, name and stage. Now I'm going to go ahead and insert a table, and these are going to be for the line items. So here I will say product. In fact, I'm going to type opportunity product, and I'll add a comment child, and then I'll just do product name, product price, and then product quantity, and then I just have to marry up these fields next to the Salesforce fields. Product name will be opportunity product name, price will be sales price, and quantity will be quantity, like that. And then we'll just go ahead and insert a table. Now before I do that, I just want to decrease the number of columns here. I want 3. So there we go. There's a table. Now you can color it. You can choose different formatting. I'll choose this one here for now. And we're pretty much good to go. Now we just need to test it. We'll have 2 filters there, one for opportunity, one for line item. So what we'll do is we'll link the child to the parent. So we'll do opportunity ID equals number 1, which is this one here, parent, into opportunity ID. Alright, and we'll say bring all the line items. And for the first one, we'll just say opportunity. Let me make this a bit wider. Yeah, let me make this a bit wider, and so you can see it, what I'm trying to do here. So this is the opportunity ID, and what we'll do is we'll go and get ourselves the opportunity ID. We'll chuck it in there, save conditions, and then go ahead and preview now. Now once we preview, you can see this is our data here, opportunity name, stage, and these are the line items here. Very simple. Now what I want to do is push this into Salesforce and then view it from there. So the first thing you need to do is click on publish, and then you need to make sure the filters are set same as the preview, because they don't copy over. So what you need to do here, same thing, opportunity ID equals number 1, opportunity ID, like that. And then the first one, you want to say your object record ID, and in your case if it's a custom object, it's a record ID. For me it's opportunity, so it's opportunity ID equals record ID. This bit must always be record ID for your parent, like that, and that's it, you're done. Now we want to publish this, so you click on publish a new form. So we'll say Excel demo opportunity published. Alright, it's been uploaded. Now what you want to do is sign into Form Titan, just like this. And once you've signed in, you will see that this is the one that we have just pushed into Form Titan, so it will appear there. A few things you need to do. You need to go into document generation, go to Excel mapping, and make sure the record ID is record ID. Alright, and then you can choose whether you want to view it with Google or Microsoft. It's up to you. And from there on, you want to click on button, and you want to make sure that this is your parent object and this is the record ID hidden field. Then you need to make sure you install the button. To install the button, if you're in Classic, you need to check Classic and Detail Page button, and then follow these instructions here. If you're in Lightning, click that, and then follow the instructions here. That's all you have to do. Alright? Once you've done that, there are a few things you need to do. You need to go to My Account, make sure you click on Document Generation and click Save. This will create the connection for the button and the Titan integration. And then in your collaborator, find your collaborator and make sure you give them at least the submit for your Excel. That needs to be checked, alright, for that specific document. For me, I'm just going to check for all, and that's it. And then once that's done, you just simply click on your button, and there it is, Excel opportunity. Now if I click view, here it is. Alright, here it is, ready to go for you to do whatever you want to do with it. You can even go ahead and put it as an iframe. Here's a URL. You can even open this directly in Office Online, where you can make edits and download it if you wish. That's also possible. And within Form Titan, when you're using the button, you can do lots of stuff. You can download it in Excel. You can view it in Excel, you can edit the document template, you can attach to record, you can even email it. So all those options are available just like they are available with Word itself. And we will just attach the document for you. And this is how it's done.